So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot area of it first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the bottom, the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge. And above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 22,430. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in that section. You can change that information using controls on the steering wheel for various different things, from your phone, vehicle settings, trip computer, as you can see, and back around to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have phone and stereo controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left hand side along with speed limiter. And then in the center we have the main touch screen. So up on here is where you'd pair your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And follow the instructions on screen from there. You can access your audio as well. And you can see there AM, FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio. This car's also got 2 separate USB inputs. You can plug devices into those and they'll appear up here as further options for you as well. Working our way down from that, we have the main volume for the stereo. We then have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set over here. We've got a heated rear screen and a heated front screen as well. Some storage down here along with a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, your 5-speed manual gearbox, and then these buttons just here. So you can turn off the stop and start. This car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system's off when that light shows, so it's on now. You can turn off your traction control and put the car in eco mode from here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.